Hi guys, I just wanted to show you how I fix up the edges when I am putting in a new sky. Sometimes you'll have a bit of a white line, a bit of an edge around some of the image, and there's a certain way that I do, and I thought I'd just show you how I sort of fix up that edge to make it look a bit more realistic and less sort of cut out. So you can use a quick selection tool and select this sky if you want, which is what I've done here. And I've dropped a couple of sky in there, and I put a new sky in there. Just change the blend mode to the top one to screen, just to try and lighten it down a little bit. This looks fake. It's more about just the idea as opposed to looking like it should. But that's what I want to show you is just the way I do things when I fix up the edges. So we go in here, we zoom right in. You can see that I've got the bit of the white sky showing through there. So I've added a layer mask. I've basically cut that foreground out, and I've added a layer mask there. Now, if I go in and use a brush like this one, I've got all these different brush presets and brush sort of little sort of controls that I can use. Now, this one here, if I go in there now and hold down the shift key and draw a line, you can see it's really smooth, and that doesn't look so good. So if you click on the scattering and have a really low amount, I've got an amount of 12 there. You click once, hold down the shift key, click a second time, and all of a sudden you get a line that's a little bit sort of lumpy, which is probably closer to what it should look like in reality, because you don't want the line to be smooth. So I'll just go through, holding down the shift key and clicking, and that just fixes that edge quite nicely like that. And as you can see, it's giving us a kind of a lumpy look on the edge of that grassy hill, which is pretty perfect for what we want to do. Now obviously we're zoomed in here to about 400%, so it's going to look even better when we zoom out. There's 100%, so you can see there, looks pretty good. And then if we go back a couple more to 50%, it's even better again. So that is the tip. Hope you enjoyed it.